RhymBil is now online. Hey guys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to return values from a function. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a function. This is going to be called add numbers. And this function is going to take in two parameters, the first being the first number and the second parameter being the second number. And what we're going to do in our function, we're going to log out the added values of num1 plus num2. Nice. And now below our function, we could just call it. So we could just say add numbers and then just pass in 1 and 1. So what this is going to do, it's going to pass in our functions and then it's going to log out 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, so now we're going to return the value of our function. Before then, we're actually going to create a variable. We're going to call it sentence, and we could just set this to the added values will return something like this. You don't have to do this. This is just a simple example, just showcasing how you can return values in a sentence or whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this console.log statement and replace it with return. So what return does is whatever you calculate, we're going to return the value to whatever we call the function. So as you can see here, we have add numbers as just being called. So as it's being called, it returns the value back to the function call, which basically gives you 2. So what we can do here is set a variable which is added value is going to be equal to our function call. I bet you've never seen this before, but watch. Now we can use this variable because now it's going to have a value of 2. Awesome, now you can see it working. And that's how to return values in functions. It's that easy. Hopefully you guys learned something new. Hopefully you can use it in your own projects. And until next time, RhymBil out.